Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel My Research Support. So friends, today we'll discuss about 10 Scopus and Web of Science indexed unpaid journals. Those are having less publication duration. But friends, publication duration depends on multiple factors: volume of paper submission in that month, availability of the reviewers, availability of the editors. So this can fluctuate, whatever maybe less than whatever I am mentioning here, or maybe more than that. But I have considered this publication duration based on recently published research articles time duration in that particular journal. Few months before I had prepared one video and I had discussed 8 Scopus and Web of Science index journals, but from that list around 4 to 5 journals are removed, and hence I have come up with the new list, and I have checked authenticity of all these journals in Scopus and Web of Science indexing. Now prior to start, you have to keep one point in mind, that never search for any specific journal title through the search engine. Otherwise there is a possibility that you can be redirected to the fraud or clone journal website. So if it is a Scopus journal, simply go to the Scopus website, search for that particular title, and there is a link through which you can redirect to that particular journal website, and it is true for Web of Science index journals. Now let's start and discuss all these journals one by one. So the first journal is Asia Pacific Journal of Science and Technology. This journal is involved in Scopus database and includes almost all the fields of sciences and technology. So as you can see here, I have opened Scopus preview homepage and Web of Science master journal list homepage. So for Web of Science index journal, I'll search from here, and for Scopus journal I'll search from here. So I am not using search engine. In rare cases where it is not possible to redirect, or the website links have not been mentioned here on Scopus and Web of Science, in those cases you can prefer to use search engine. So here one option is given, sources. You have to click here, then you have to enter that source name. So Asia Pacific Journal of Science and Technology. If it is there in the Scopus, then Scopus will display its name. So you have to click on find sources. Okay, here you will get information about its metrics. So you have to click on that journal name. Okay, now you will get more insights into it. Asia Pacific Journal of Science and Technology. See, Scopus coverage years from 2017 to present, and this is a publisher, this is its ISSN number, and these are broad research areas mentioned. And here there is a link to redirect to the source homepage. So you have to click on this link, and this is the original homepage or website of this journal, APST. So here you have to scroll down. Here it is clearly mentioned about the publication fees. There is no any article processing charges or publication fee, and issues. So quarterly the journal publishes research article or issues, and there are some free issues available here, so that you can download those research article. You can click on the PDF, and here you will get an idea about the publication charges. I have seen many research articles published in this journal, and you can see this publication duration, that this article is received on 31st of August and it is published in December. So September, October, November and December. So within 4 months this research article is published. You can take a look at some other published research articles, and you will find that within the period of 3 to 4 months you will be able to publish in this journal. Now we'll turn toward the second journal, which is Engineering Science and Technology and International Journal. This journal is there in the Scopus as well as Science Citation Index expanded database. This journal belongs to Elsewhere publisher, and it was also there in my previous list, and it is still there in the Scopus and Web of Science indexing. And this is because in last 1 or 2 years these journals have highly developed its metrics, and hence there are rare chances in the future that these journals can be removed from this indexing. And this journal is completely open access, means in most of the cases when the journals are open access, authors have to pay the fees, and those research articles will be freely available to everyone and freely downloadable to everyone. But here in this case, even if this journal is open access, authors need not to pay any amount, because all these article publication charges, article processing charges are funded by one university. As this journal belongs to Scopus as well and Web of Science as well, so I will prefer to search that from Web of Science. So you have to search the title here. Okay, so Engineering Science and Technology and International Journal, JustTech. So you have to click on view profile page. Here also everything is mentioned. It is indexed in Science Citation Index Expanded, and this is ISSN number. So you have to click on view profile. Here you will find different links, like you can redirect to the journal website, publisher website as well. So you have to click here. So this is the main homepage of this journal. This is really an excellent journal which is having excellent metrics, and this metrics is developed within last 1 or 2 years only. Site score is 9, impact factor, and it is clearly mentioned here on the journal's homepage that the time for first decision is 2 weeks, whether your research article is accepted or rejected, or if it is forwarded to the revision stage, then also it is intimated to you within 2 weeks, and hence you will be able to publish in this journal in the period of 3 to 5 months. To see the publication charges, you can go to this open access option, and here it is clearly mentioned. This journal is a peer-reviewed subsidized open access journal where Karabukh University pays open access fee. Means even if it is journal, this journal is open access, this university has paid all the open access fees. So authors do not have to pay any open access publication fee. I have published in this journal, so I have clear-cut idea that you need not to pay any amount, and you will be able to publish in this journal maybe within 3 to 5 months. Now the next journal is International Journal of Management Studies, IJMS. This is a Web of Science Index journal, means included in Science Citation Index Expanded database, and covers almost all the fields of management. In this IJMS journal, you can move toward this about section. You have to click on about the journal, and you will get exact idea about the broad research areas from which the journal accepts research articles. So you have to stick to this or focus on these areas only. And even if it is an open access journal, it is clearly mentioned about this journal doesn't charge any fees to authors. Okay, there is no any publication charges to authors. And as you can see here, this is Emerging Sources Citation Index, means it is there in the Web of Science, but it is indexed in ESCI, not SCIE. And in this journal also you will be able to publish your research article within the period of 3 to 6 months. The next journal is Surinary Journal of Science and Technology, SJST. This is again an interdisciplinary Scopus journal in the field of sciences and technology. So this is the homepage of this journal, Surinary Journal of Science and Technology, where it is clearly mentioned about the publication charges, that there are no charges to submit and publish all types of articles in this journal, and it is again mentioned about the Scopus indexing. The fifth journal is Science and Technology Studies, STS. This is again an excellent journal involved in Scopus as well as Science Citation Index Expanded database. So this is the homepage of Science and Technology Studies. So it is clearly mentioned here that this journal doesn't charge author processing charges. There is no any APCs. So it does mean that publication in this journal is free at every stage. Okay, so you can refer to the research articles published in this journal, but what I found that yes, few research articles are published within the period of 3 to 4 months, but few research articles have taken around 8 to 10 months. So the publication duration may go up to 10 months in this journal. You can refer this about section to know a specific theme or broad research areas and abstracting and indexing. So it is there in the Scopus as well. The next journal is Research Journal of Pharmacy and Technology. This is again an interdisciplinary Scopus journal which will include pharmaceutical sciences related areas and technology related areas. So this journal is not unpaid journal. If you refer to this author section and processing charges, then even it is a Scopus journal, but the processing charges are very less. You can refer to this section. So rupees 3540 for publications, and for Indian author, and for foreign author it is $200. So low publication charges are there, so you can prefer to publish in this journal, and this journal basically publish your research article within the period of 3 to 4 months. You can refer this about section to know about different areas or topics covered particularly in this journal, so that you can stick to it, focus on it, and if your research article is associated with it, and then only you have to submit your research article for publication in this journal. Seventh journal, Frontiers in Energy. This is again an interdisciplinary very good journal which is involved in Scopus as well as Science Citation Index expanded database. Frontiers in Energy, this is the homepage. You can refer to this aim and scope section in order to get an idea about broad research areas. So all these research areas are mentioned here. Then you can refer to this section, fees and funding, to the right side, and you will get an idea about the publication charges. So there is an article processing charges of around $2780, but there is an option when your research article will be accepted, you will be given two options. Okay, if you are opting for open access, then you have to pay this open APC charges, or there is a second option. See, it is clearly written here. Authors can also choose to publish under traditional publishing model. No APC charges can apply. So you can select this so that you need not to pay any amount. This is really a very good journal, but the acceptance rate of this journal is comparatively low. And if talking about the publication duration, then there are many research articles published in this journal within the period of 3 to 6 months. Next journal, International Social Science Journal. This is included in Scopus and covers almost all the areas related to social sciences field. So on this home page, you can refer to the broad research areas mentioned here, and you can go to this about section and overview, where you will get an idea about the indexings. There are many indexings where the Scopus indexing is also there. Then you can move towards this contribute and open access. So this is again open access journal. So there is a choice to authors. As you can see here, this journal offers authors an open access option similar to the Frontiers in Energy journal, that you will be given two options after acceptance, that you have to, if you are opting open access, then you have to pay APC charges, otherwise you need not to pay any article processing charges. And the publication duration may takes to 7 to 8 months or more than that, or even less than that. Ninth journal, Songkla-Nakarin Journal of Science and Technology. This is again interdisciplinary journal in the field of science and technology, and it is a Scopus journal. This is the homepage of SJST. You can refer to this section about SJST, where they have clearly mentioned about the areas from where the journal accepts research article, and at the last they have mentioned about the publication charges. There is no any submission and publication fees. And again you can go to this online articles. So as this is an open access journal, there are some articles available, those you can download freely. So you can check these PDFs. Many research articles have published within the period of 5 to 6 months. Now the last journal, Walalek Journal of Science and Technology, WJST. It is a Scopus interdisciplinary journal in the field of sciences and technology. It was also there in my previous list, and it is still there in the Scopus. WJST. It is clearly mentioned on the home page that there is no any publication free. Authors need not to pay any article processing charges, and issues you can observe. So semi-monthly means 24 issues a year. So obviously acceptance rate to publish in this journal is more, and you will be able to publish in this journal within the period of 3 to 4 months. And different areas are also mentioned here: natural sciences, life sciences, and applied sciences. And indexing, about Scopus indexing, it is mentioned here. This is basically a Q3 journal, and SGR, everything is mentioned here. So thank you very much for watching this video. So friends, whatever information I have discussed today in this video is according to my analysis. If you have any specific information about these journals, please do not forget to write me in the comment box, so that this information can be helpful to other users also. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, please do not forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updates about new videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.